Florida Tech and Brevard Zoo started this collaboration and research about 3 years ago. And this is a fantastic collaboration because there aren't many zoos who are really on the forefront of research. We mostly do two different types of research. First, we do behavioral research where we scientifically observe the animals. So we spend time sitting in front of exhibits and tracking all the different behaviors that our animals are engaging in. And this allows us to track social behaviors, but also to monitor their wellness, so that if the zoo has any concerns about any of their animals, me and my lab are able to come and do observations to see if we can help them figure out how to care for these animals in the optimal way. Then we also do experimental research. So we do experiments with non-human primates on their behavior and cognition. So what that means is basically we play silly games with the monkeys and we get to learn cool things about how they learn here. But the reason that we're trying to use our lemurs and train them on touchscreens so that we can ask them about their cognition is because they're really an understudied species in terms of their cognitive abilities. Partially that's because scientists have assumed that their cognitive abilities aren't fantastic because they're the most distantly related to humans. But of course in science we don't want to make assumptions. Instead we want to go out and try and test this. So we're trying to get our lemurs into the same types of cognitive testing that have been done with the other primates. One of the things that makes the animal behavior concentration in psychology at Florida Tech really special is, well, first off, there's not that many places where undergraduates can get meaningful experience in animal behavior. And what I mean by that is, yeah, you might be able to take a lab class where you work with some animals, but the research that we're doing here has a real meaningful impact on the lives of these animals.